What do you mean the spark's gone? It's been 2 years, Iris.
I don't know. I wish it still felt. I just don't see why the sky can't always be blue.
What are you talking about? It's not like the sun is never going to come back out.
Yeah, but what about the floods? Sure, the water goes away, but people get hurt.
But that's life. It's a cycle. Some things die, but new things always grow in their place.
Is it worth it, though?
I guess that's up to you.
Wait, Callum.
Little girl with your head up high, letting those rain clouds pass on by. Don't let them bring you down. Mama says you've got a heart of gold, but you're lost in the mirror and all it shows are the scars and pain. Wipe it all away.
You're right. Everything you were saying, it's not about avoiding the storm. It's about knowing that after enough time, the rain will always go away.
She'd rather sleep all through the day than to wake herself up to the thoughts in her brain. Her mind is a prison cell. She sees the models in the magazines saying, hey, don't you really want to look like me? And she fades away into skin and bones. But don't